Dear friends, in this video, I'm going to discuss about energy level diagram of nitrogen molecule. For this, first let us consider electronic configuration of nitrogen atom. The electronic configuration of nitrogen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Here I am considering two nitrogen atoms because nitrogen molecule have two nitrogen atoms. According to molecular orbital theory, atomic orbitals will be overlapped and they form molecular orbital. Here in this case, 1s orbital of the first nitrogen will be overlapped with 1s orbital of the second nitrogen and 2s orbital of the first nitrogen will be overlapped with 2s orbital of the second nitrogen. The same way 2p orbital of the first nitrogen will be overlapped with 2p orbitals of the second nitrogen. Now let us see the energy level diagram of nitrogen molecule. Here we can observe one thing. The left end is the first nitrogen atomic orbitals. The right side end is the second nitrogen atomic orbitals. These two atomic orbitals will be overlapped and they form molecular orbitals called as sigma 1s, sigma star 1s. Here, sigma 1s is the bonding molecular orbital with the lower energy compared to these atomic orbitals. Sigma star 1s orbital is the anti-bonding molecular orbital which is having higher energy compared to this atomic orbital. So already we know the electronic configuration of nitrogen atom. It is 1s2. Already we know this. Now these four electrons after overlapping of the atomic orbitals should be filled in these molecular orbitals. Now let us see how these electrons will be filled in the molecular orbitals. First, the first electron will be filled in lower energy molecular orbitals. According to Aufbau principle, the first electron will be filled in the lower energy level. Next, second electron will be paired here. Next, third electron. Third electron will be filled in the next energy level, that is in sigma star 1s. Next, fourth electron will be paired with this one. Next, we can see the electronic configuration of molecular orbitals as sigma 1s2. This is sigma. Two electrons are filled here. Sigma 1s2. Next energy level is sigma star. Sigma star 1s2 because two electrons are filled here. In atomic orbitals, total 4 electrons are there. These 4 electrons are filled in molecular orbital. Now sigma 1s, sigma star 1s molecular orbitals are completed. Next, 2s orbital will be overlapped with this 2s orbital and they form molecular orbital. Now let us see them. Now this 2s atomic orbital of the first nitrogen is overlapped 2s atomic orbital of the second nitrogen and they form sigma 2s, sigma star 2s as in a first case. Now these atomic orbitals 2s, 2s also having 2 electrons as already we know that the 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So 2s atomic orbitals they have the 2 electrons. Now these 2 electrons, these 4 electrons should be filled in the molecular orbitals as in the previous case. The first electron and second electron will be filled in the lower energy level, that is the sigma 2s, and next third electron will be filled in the higher energy level, that is sigma star 2s, and fourth electron will be paired here. Next atomic orbital is 2p atomic orbital. This 2p atomic orbital will be overlapped with the 2p atomic orbital. Total it forms 6 molecular orbitals because in a 2p level there are 3 suborbitals px, py, pz. For the second nitrogen also there are 3 suborbitals px, py, pz. Total 3 plus 3, 6 atomic orbitals are there. These 6 atomic orbitals will be overlapped and they form total 6 number of molecular orbitals. So already we know the electronic configuration of the atomic orbitals. It is 2p3, right? Now first nitrogen is also having 3 electrons Second nitrogen is also having 3 electrons. Now these two atomic orbitals are being overlapped and they form 6 molecular orbitals. Now these 6 electrons should be filled in these 6 molecular orbitals. According to above principle, first electron will get filled in the lower energy level like this. Next, according to Hund's rule, the electron should not be paired, it will be filled in the equal energy level. Next, third electron now will be paired here. Next, fourth electron will be paired here. Now this energy level is get completed. Next electron will be promoted to the next energy level. Now upcoming electron, the fifth electron will be filled here in the 2pz. Next, sixth electron will be paired here. Total here 6 electrons only there. These 6 electrons are get filled here. This is completed. So this is energy level diagram of nitrogen molecule. If there is excess electron, if there is 7th electron or 8th electron in the nitrogen atom, those electrons will get filled here. But in case of nitrogen, there are only total 6 number of electrons in a 2p level, 3 plus 3. So that these 6 electrons will get filled here in the bonding molecular orbitals. This now we can see the electronic configuration of molecular orbital here. It is sigma 1s2. This is sigma 1s. Two electrons are there. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. Next level is sigma 2s. Here two electrons are there. So sigma 2s2. Next level sigma star 2s2. Next level pi 2px. Two electrons are there. Pi 2px2. This pi 2px energy and pi 2py energy are same. So that y is equal is there. Pi 2px2 is equal to pi 2py2. Next energy level is sigma 2pz. So you can see sigma 2pz2 here. Now we can calculate the bond order. To calculate the bond order, we have one formula, that is 1 by 2 into number of electrons in bonding orbitals minus number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Here we have total 10 number of electrons in bonding molecular orbitals. We can count here. So sigma 1s is bonding molecular orbital, sigma 2s is the bonding molecular orbital, pi 2px, pi 2py, sigma 2pz. These are all bonding molecular orbitals. So total 2 plus 2 plus 6, total 10 bonding electrons are there. Next, sigma star 1s is the anti-bonding molecular orbital, sigma star 2s is the anti-bonding molecular orbital, pi star 2px, pi star 2py, sigma star 2pz is also anti-bonding molecular orbitals, but here there are no electrons. So total we have sigma star 1 is 2 electrons, sigma star 2 is 2 electron, 2 plus 2 4. Only 4 electrons are there in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So 4 electrons here. So that is equal to 3. So bond order of nitrogen is 3. So that we can write nitrogen is having triple bond. Next, nitrogen is having diamagnetic property because there is no unpaired electron here. All electrons are paired in all molecular orbitals. Here it is paired, paired, paired. Everywhere the electrons are paired, so there is no unpaired electron. So that nitrogen is having diamagnetic property.